I'll have a blue Christmas without you. I'll be so blue.
See on Tartumaa Ratsasspordiklubi jõuluuresti.
Decorations of red on a green Christmas tree won't be the same, dear, if you're not here with me. And when those blue snowflakes start falling, that's when those blue memories start calling. You'll be doing all right with your Christmas of white, but I have a blue Christmas.